हेलो
अंकल Assalamualaikum everyone. I am your host GoPro Bro and welcome to the Creative Center. This is C-Log number 0x0F and the topic of today's discussion is a controversial one. Today we are talking about yesterday's dismissal of Salman Ali Agha in the ODI between Pakistan and Bangladesh. What happened was that Mohammad Rizwan played a straight drive back to the bowler and Salman Ali Agha was backing up a little bit from the runner's end. The ball went straight towards him and he tried to hold his ground. Mehdi Hasan Miraz, the bowler, came around Salman Ali Agha to stop the ball with his foot and was successful in his attempt. The ball bounced a little bit, hit Salman Ali Agha and fell in between the two players. Salman Ali Agha tried to get down to pick up the ball, but Mehdi was a bit fast on his feet. Picked up the ball and threw it back to the stumps, which led to the dismissal of Salman Ali Agha. And the topic of today's discussion is whether that was the right or the wrong thing to do. It is not the wrong thing as per laws, but it can be considered unethical as per the sportsman's spirit from some angles. We are trying to find out different reasons whether to call it right or wrong, or maybe it was just a subjective thing depending upon your own mindset. If we go by the rules of cricket, it is considered an out, definite out, because the batsman is outside the crease when the bowler has picked up the ball and hit the stumps. But if we talk about the spirit of the game or the context in which that thing happens, there are two angles. Number one is that Salman Ali Agha was just trying to help the bowler by picking up the ball and handing it to him. If it is taken in that context, it is against the sportsman's spirit. But there is another angle to it. At that angle says the Salman Ali Agha might be saving his energy of going around the bowler and returning to the crease, and that is why he picked up the ball. However, the amount of energy that is spent in just getting down and picking up the ball is almost the same as going around the bowler and making your crease. So it goes more towards the kind of thing where batsman was just trying to help the bowler. I think that the context was important in this context, because had Salman Ali Agha tried to rush back to the crease, it would have looked ugly and there could have been a bit of a collision between the bowler and the runner, and it would have made things a little bit messy. However, I am sure that if Salman Ali Agha had been able to let the ball pass the bowler by holding his ground, he must have gone for the run. So some might say that Mehdi was also right in his approach of running him out, because otherwise the batsman would have scampered for a single. So it is just a kind of thing where both the things can be said to be right. I think that Mehdi must have withdrawn his appeal. He was right in attempting the run out, but I think Bangladesh team should not have let the batsman go. Today we were able to replicate that scenario on our field, and we were successful in doing so after a lot of attempts.
तो आपको वो वीडियो दिखाते हैं हम अभी।